Hi, I'm Randy. Hope everyone's staying safe, social distancing, sanitize those hands, and wearing that mask. Today I'm going to go over the sticker of the 2020 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off Road. It's going to have all the options and features of that car, as well as the final price. And my goal for you is that hopefully it gives you an idea of what you get in your 4Runner, as well as when you walk into that dealership to negotiate. So if you haven't seen my full review, just click on the card right there, and it'll take you there. Everyone stay safe. On with the show.
Toyota 4Runner TRD Off Road. It's a 4x4 with a naturally aspirated 4.0 V6 engine. And the color is a classic silver metallic. The final assembly plant, Japan. Nice. Let's start off with the standard equipment. It's a 4.0 liter V6 engine. It has a part-time 4-wheel drive system with active track. 5-speed automatic transmission, locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, and crawl control, which is really cool. It's Toyota's advanced 4x4 off-roading system, and it's really good. Has hill start assist, control, tow hitch, receiver, safety and convenience. So this 4Runner, the 4Runners in general aren't really high-tech. So it has some safety features, but not a whole lot. It's not like their Camry or RAV4s or Highlanders. So it has a Toyota Safety Sense, pre-collision system, pedestrian detection, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert. Hey, I was wrong because this is a lot of the safety features that you find in new cars today on Toyotas. Star safety system, vehicle stability control, traction control, anti-lock brake system with ABD brake assist and smart stop technology. The exterior is a power sliding rear window, which you'll see in my review, skid plates, which you'll see in my review, and on the front suspension and fuel tank. It has 17-inch alloy wheels and a full-size spare tire, which I wouldn't expect less, right? Interior, it has an 8-inch touchscreen with 8 speakers, so that's standard. It's not upgraded. It sounds pretty decent. Hands-free Bluetooth. No Apple CarPlay or Android Auto in this car. There's no Android Auto Apple CarPlay. It has, of course, Sirius radio if you want to subscribe to it. Hey, I was wrong. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Duh. Was I not reading this? I didn't see it when I was reviewing the car. I didn't see an option for it like the Highlander and Camry. Anyways, let's move on. You have a TRD shift knob. TRD shift knob. TRD off-road floor mats. It says 4Runner. And then it has connected services, Safety Connect with 1-year trial. So that's the SOS button you see up there. And that's the crawl control feature, which is totally awesome. That's found in the TRD Pro as well, and this car. There's no other models that have it. And then you have the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $39,840. 50 state emissions is nothing, thank goodness. Premium audio, 8-inch touchscreen is $1,040, and that has navigation, Bluetooth, USB media ports, XM radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, but I don't know why I didn't see it. Destination, because I was playing with it for quite a while. Anyways, maybe I have to connect it. Once you connect it, you see it. And a lot of the applications, the car's not on, but a lot of the applications are updated. There's no applications on this, but I guess you have to update it. So everything's done over the air. You have kinetic dynamic suspension, 1750. Keep it wild savings, $500 negative. What is that? I'll have to look that up. Maybe you guys can look it up. Tell me in the description below or the comments below. What is that? Keep it wild savings. Let me know. And then you have the wilderness package, $454. I have to look what that up. I have to look to see what that is because I'm not quite sure. Door edge guard, I know what that is, and exhaust tip. Well, I saw that. It's chrome and it's 90 bucks. You figure it would come with it, but I guess not. And door edge guard is, yeah, well, it's on the door, you know all that. Delivery is $12.20. The total and final price, grand total, is $43,873, and it's at Toyota of Cerritos, 18700 Studebaker Road in Cerritos, California, 90703, where they have the best school system in Los Angeles County. And then you have the overall vehicle score. 4, front crash is a 4 and 3, side crash 5.5. Don't roll over in this car because you get a 3. Anyways, MPGs combined is 17, 16 in the city, 19 on the highway. And I really think you're going to get less than 17 the way I drive, because I don't drive like grandpa. And then average fuel cost is $2,400. Fuel economy is 1 to 10 is a 3. The Camaro ZL1 was a 1. This is a 3. They're both bad cars. In gas mileage, should I say. Small ratings of 5. I think the ZL1, the Camaro, I think I got a 3 or 5. I'm not quite sure. It must have been pretty bad. Anyways, there you go. The full sticker of the Toyota 4Runner TRD Off Road. Hope you enjoyed it. I did. I enjoyed making the video. If you haven't seen it already, check it out. See ya!